Since 1988, Vericut has been the industry leader in CNC simulation, verification, optimization, and analysis manufacturing software. Why choose Vericut? Whether you're a small job shop, OEM, or Tier 1 supplier, Vericut enables you to produce more efficient programs faster and get your products to market more quickly and competitively. Vericut eliminates prove-outs and saves machine tool, operator, and part programming time, all of which decrease your time to market. Vericut machine simulation detects collisions and near misses between all machine tool components, dramatically reducing the chances for error when proving out new programs on the machine. As machining complexity increases, so does the chance for error. Vericut simulates the CNC machining process for large, small, simple, or complex parts, and all types of CNC machining. Vericut Force analyzes and optimizes cutting conditions throughout NC program operations to create the most effective NC program for the given material, cutting tool, and machining conditions. The results are significant time savings, improved cutting tool and machine life, and improved part quality. Detect collisions between hybrid machine and additive part and identify errors, voids, and misplaced material with Vericut's superior simulation capabilities for additive manufacturing. CG Tech offers world-class support for our customers. Our support center's responsiveness, knowledge, and experience in assisting companies across the world is unmatched. Vericut machine configurations, or VMCs, can be built to exactly match your machine tool and to ensure that your virtual machine and real machine behave identically. CG Tech has an extensive collection of VMCs from the leading machine tool builders. Vericut offers interfaces to all leading CAM and tooling systems. All stock, fixture, and design geometry can be automatically transferred to Vericut in the correct orientation, along with your NC program, tooling, machine and control data, and other simulation parameters. Don't wait for an expensive crash, scrapped part, or missed deadline to invest in Vericut. Vericut, right the first time, every time.
Force optimization is based off of machining fundamentals that have been proven since we started making parts. What it's going to do is change program feed rates in order to keep the chip thickness as ideal and constant as possible. You're going to get charts, chip thickness, the volume rates of the tools, the tool deflection potential, cutting forces at the tool tip, spindle power. All that information is available and there at your disposal, so you can take a look at it and see where your problems are. It's going to give you the best surface finishes, minimize tool deflection, and it's going to do so in the least amount of time.
Because Force is constantly altering the feed rate, the spindle has a more constant load on it, you can actually hear the machine perform better. Force optimization also benefits cutting tool life.
It's going to look at each individual cutting tool, and it's going to precisely match its performance to how the cutting tool manufacturer designed it to be used, which means every tool performs to its absolute best potential.
Optimizing a process, either current process as well as new process, it has really helped us not only from the tool manufacturing perspective to utilize our tools to like their optimum capability, but as well as returning that benefit to the customer by increasing their productivity output.
You typically are going to see anywhere from 20 to 70% reduction in machine time. If you think about it, you're going to get 2 parts for 1 at that rate. Once it comes off the machine, the part's going to go get deburred and cleaned up. But a force-optimized part is going to be much cleaner and in better shape than what an unoptimized part would be. That means your whole throughput process gets faster, and that gets parts out the door quicker. Everybody wants to benefit from that.
Vericut is a great security blanket. I've been using Vericut for a lot of years. It gives you that peace of mind that when you go to the machine tool that your program is going to run the first time, every time, you're not going to have any collisions. You can go into your process basically ready to hit the button and not have to worry about it.
Sandvik works closely with CG Tech because we're both world-class organizations and we want to work with the best that there is.
Vericut allows us to push the envelope, and we feel like CG Tech is one of the industry leaders in verification technology and now also as well as optimization technology with force optimization.